Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. I'm in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. Let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin price. I'm taking a look at two things. I'm looking at the 12-hour candles. I'm also taking a look at the weekly candles. We just closed a pretty interesting weekly candle that I want to explore with you all. So stick around to the end. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. That's about it, actually. Welcome in all our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's August the 29th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $48,460.91, fluctuating, slightly negative 0.7% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, so welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. We're actually going to pull up the 12-hour candles and end out on the weekly candles. So here we are. Okay, so what you're looking at is the infamous $48,000 level. Hopefully we'll leave a link for that video. Bitcoin has just been kind of flirting with that red line there, the 48,000, breaking up, down, just kind of having some price fluctuations near that level. Now, what you see here on the screen is the Fibonacci retracement tool. You see the blue, red, white, and blue lines there. I'm mostly focused on the white line. It's the 0.618. Okay, most of you who know about Fibonacci retracement levels know that's a pretty important level, especially for Bitcoin. I've took the most recent swing high, 50,400, and I measured the most recent swing low, the wicks, 46,000, right down here, and that's how I was able to get this Fibonacci retracement set up here. Now, one of the things that I'm noticing is Bitcoin so far, okay, this can change in the morning or soon. But if it starts breaking below $48,000, yeah, guys, things are getting pretty interesting in the market. I'll say that. If we zoom in here, notice the 12-hour candles have been having just wicks, well, for the most part, above the 618, that white line there. We did reach as high as the 0.786, only a wick so far. Hopefully this changes in the morning, guys. Hopefully we can get a nice thrust to the upside because it's dangerously close to that $48,000 level. The red line there is kind of if you're new, hopefully we leave a link so you'll know that it's just a breakthrough level from the higher time frames, 48,000. Ideally, we would like to see a really nice, kind of walk away from that level to the upside, so to speak. That has not happened. The market is still perfectly confined in an uptrend overall and the short term ever since 29.5. Okay, right down here. It is making higher highs and higher lows, which is really good. Okay. But I guess that was the one thing that I wanted to show you on the Fibonacci retracement level. It appears that Bitcoin is having a little bit of trouble here at the 0.618, just a short term. So if I could just kind of leave you out with the range, let's see, the next 72 hours, if you are in the market, I would look for I'll put a line right down here at about 46.8, okay, 46.8. And even as high as $48,000. This is kind of like a crucial range for the next 48 hours, 48 up to 72 hours. If Bitcoin just so happens to dip within this range, it had better result in the wick only from the 12-hour candles is what I'm looking at. Only the 12-hour, guys, not the 1 hour. I don't know how to interpret that stuff. 12-hour candles, just wicks, perfectly fine. Closing above 48,000. Beautiful. That's what we need to see in order for the market to thrust to our upgraded price targets. If you know, it's just 51 up to 53,000 short-term price prediction, up to 30 days to see that take place here in the market. Okay. But again, just take note of the range. If it's breaking below the range that we just went over, again, 46.8 up to 48,000. If it's breaking below that range, yeah, we got to scratch out that target, guys, 51 up to 53. Let's take a look at the weekly candles. That's all I wanted to show you guys on the 12-hour candles. But here's the not ideal setup that I just noticed on the weekly candles. Literally about 3 hours ago, we just closed a weekly candle, and unfortunately, we closed a red candle. Now, this isn't the end of the world, but it's definitely something to take note of, given the fact that the sellers have successfully closed this weekly candle that you're looking at on the screen. Now, this is an indication to me. Okay, so let me just give you the technical target in terms of how I understand price action in candlesticks for the target, just because the market just closed a weekly candle like this. Okay, technical target, guys, take it easy there, bulls. But the technical target will be somewhere near the $43,000 level. That's right. We are invested in Bitcoin, by the way, if you're new. So I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. Not yet. We will be ensuring our positions in due time, but we have not done that yet. But that's the technical target. When I see this type of weekly close red candle, $43,000. Now, if the market continues higher, that's fine. Just pull up your weekly Bollinger Bands and you should see the upper lip. That should be the target for the, hopefully we leave a link for that video as well. We have multiple videos, guys. We cover everything, right? So that's basically all I have. I just wanted to show you those two things. The weekly has closed that candle. So if we do experience momentum to the downside, guys, it's to be expected because the sellers have successfully closed this weekly candle. So that means that they may seize an opportunity here in the short term. Now, if we get a push within the next 24 up to 72 hours, that's fine. You're actually going to look forward to, again, break through the $49,000 level at $300. That would be a sign that even if there is a retracement in the market, they're clearing the path to the upside after the retracement is finished, if the market retraces from here. I know this might be a little confusing for those who are just joining us with the the technicals here, guys, but if you want to make this super simple, just simply take note of the range that we went over in the beginning of the video, 46.8 up to 48,000. That's the critical range for now until further notice. Again, if it's breaking below that, guys, yeah, 43 incoming, unfortunately. So that's all I have. All the information is there, guys. Please kindly rewind the video. The blueprint is there in terms of what to expect in the time frame. So hopefully this is useful to one person out there. And that's how we'll end the videos. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video. Also, if you're new, we cover the traditional stocks 7 days a week. Kindly join us here on this interesting journey. And we'll send that information when it's available. Guys, thanks for stopping out. I really appreciate your time. Execute your strategies. I appreciate your support on this channel, leaving comments and thumbs and everything. Thank you. Remember, always be kind. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.